Gusto ko muna magpasalamat sa apat na batan to na talaga namang nagtiwala sa akin.
It's gonna be an emotional decision. It's gonna be a huge decision for Stel.
Kahit ano yung maging decision ko, sana paglaki nyo, hindi nyo ako
Way he is crying and saying, "I hope you won't forget me when it comes to."
kalimutan. Kahit na some of you guys,
I love you guys. You won't like my decision. Oh my God! Don't say it. Tell they will like it. They will accept it. I'm pretty sure.
yung hindi nyo magugustuhan yung decision ko. Sana hindi kayo magtanim ng galit sa akin. Mahal na mahal ko kayo and mahal na mahal ko tong ginagawa natin. Pero please, sana kahit di na tayo magkasama, wag niyo akong makalimutan.
The way he is crying.
Sana yung mga moments natin together dito, maalala nyo hanggat paglaki nyo, kahit magkaroon na kayo ng, alam nyo yun, magkaroon na kayo ng muwang sa mundo, magkaroon kayo ng trabaho, sana maalala nyo na merong Kuya Stel, kahit Kuya Stel man lang, na naging bahagi ng journey nyo dito sa The Voice Kids.
Crying. I can't take this. I mean, this is too emotional. Look at the way he is crying. No, Stel. Oh my God.
Sana yun yung ma-promise nyo sa akin. Congratulations! Makakasama pa kita sa susunod na round. Jenica. I love you so much, Lawrence. I love you. Alex, I love you. Hebron, I love you. Congratulations, you are moving to the next round. Hebron. Alex, Lawrence. Thank you so much for trusting me.
It's okay, Coach. It's okay.
Maraming salamat.
It's okay, Coach. It's okay.
All the way they're saying it's okay.
Okay lang maging malungkot, maintindihan ko dahil nalulungkot din ako, pero alam ko, hindi pa ito yung last. Marami pang next opportunity.
Yo, these kids are so humble. Still saying, "I'm really sorry." And Alex, I think he is saying that it's okay, and they accepted it with the both hands. They're kids, but they understand this situation. They know the situation. They're mature enough, and the way they reacted, they didn't cry. They're just hugging. Still, it shows that these kids, they have bright future, and they will go far away. It's not always who comes on the top. I mean, sometimes being second is good and good enough. I have seen a lot of people in my life who became second in the competitions, but they're doing so well. Like I can't tell you this. Like, they're doing so well and they're winning in every single situation in their life. So yeah, sometimes becoming second or sometimes becoming fifth, sixth is like blessings, you know. So accept it. If you work hard, good days are ahead for you. So yeah.